Hello and welcome back. I'm really happy to see you here today for another cleaning routine. In this video, I'll be focusing on the kitchen window. With a cloth and some cleaning spray, I gently apply the product to the glass surface and begin wiping it down. Step by step, I move from top to bottom, making sure the whole window is covered. The glass easily shows marks and dust, so I take my time to make sure it looks clear and fresh again. I go over the corners and edges carefully, where small spots often stay behind. Then I move across the middle, polishing the surface until the light reflects beautifully. Cleaning a window is simple, but it always changes the feeling of the room. The whole kitchen looks brighter when the glass is spotless. I like to repeat the motion a few times, just to make sure the shine stays even. The calm rhythm of wiping feels relaxing, almost meditative, and it's satisfying to see the result with every stroke. Thank you for watching this session with me. Don't forget to subscribe for more cleaning routines, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!